everybody, Abby with Farmhouse on the ranch here. We are out in the garden and we had some crazy weather. So it's been like 90s, yeah, upper 90s for a long time. And then the other night we actually got snow and it was 31 degrees. And the high the next day was in the 40s. And then it was 31 degrees again. And today we're up to like, I don't know, 60 something or the high 60s. But I came out here to the garden to see what survived. Actually, a lot of things did, surprisingly. But my sweet potatoes are blackened, which means I need to get them out of the ground and get them eaten. And I have never grown sweet potatoes before, so actually I pulled up a plant and I got this, which is not exactly a sweet potato sized sweet potato. So I was just like, oh yeah, well, I'll just dig these plants up and chop these little ones into something to eat tonight. And so I dug out the second one. I realized that the bigger roots were down further. Now they're not huge by any means, but they haven't been in the ground very long. But that's not too bad for being planted in August, late July, something like that. It was really late summer when I actually put them in the ground. So I thought I would show you on camera. I went back to the house, got the camera so that I could show you what my sweet potato harvest looks like, because it's going to be a little sad, but there is something there. nothing too exciting. This was the biggest one, which he is quite a good sized sweet potato. The rest are just kind of small tubers. But I'm excited just to have them and the one big one. So I gave the tops to the ducks, and I'm gonna go in and cook these in the oven with a lid, kind of like a pot with a lid, with some butter and some brown sugar, and they will be super yummy for supper. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, or comment. Let me know what you're harvesting out of your garden in September. Is it snowing where you are? Has it froze yet? Are you on fire? It's been a very crazy world. But I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.